Hey guys, so just follow up from having the blood work done. We had to get the medical clearance. Medical clearance consists of getting the EKG. It would have consisted of getting blood work as well, but I already got labs done, and a medical history and all that good stuff, you know, just a regular basic physical, all checked out. So I was able to have her email the document to me that was filled out and stamped. I sent that over into the portal, so now the surgery center has the blood work and they have the clearance form. Once they view that, they will give me my time for my pre-op. Once I go to pre-op, we will discuss whatever it is that is in pre-op, because again, every surgery center is going to be a little bit different. Hopefully I don't have to fill out a book like I just seen someone else do. That's gonna be insane. But yeah, I will check back with you guys. So deep down in my heart of hearts, I must have known that I was not done with surgery, because let me tell you how I kept all my shapewear. These were pants that had the top part for compression. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fajas that I kept. So out of these 6, we gonna see what is actually doable to keep. And y'all, I swear I wore these fajas the full length of time that I was supposed to wear them. So I got them from 2XL, and these have the longer pants. So if you were to get like thigh lipo or whatnot, yeah. And these are the good brand. That's probably why I kept them too, because it's the, what is this, Morena? The Columbia fajas, yeah, they good and all, but these are the recommended ones for recovery. So this size is extra large. So I got a 2XL, an XL. This one is more of the shorts length. And then this one is actual shorts. This one is from Amazon though. This is not a Morena one. This is a shaper, I think. No, actually this was from Equilibrium International. So I paid a pretty penny for this one. This one came from Chicago. There is a store that sells the fajas in Chicago. So this is the first one that I got from that store. I have 2 of them. This one was nice. It has the silicone on the inner thighs so that it doesn't roll. It does zip all the way from the front. As you can see here, it zips from the front to the back. This one, and it has for the if you had a BBL or whatnot, which I ain't got no BBL, didn't get no BBL, and not getting a BBL, but this one is really nice. That one was a good shaper. This is the other one I got from Equilibrium. This one, it zips still from the front to the back. I think it was the sizes that I got. So this one is an XL. And then, and I'm sorry you guys, my camera looks like it's twirling. This one is a large. So I went I don't know if I went down or up in size. I couldn't remember. But these two were from Equilibrium. And I want to say I spent like $120 or so or more on these two. These are good for if you're wearing like dresses and things like that. Or if you're hot, like I be hot a lot and I don't like to wear the longer pants. Them things they get uncomfortable after a while. So, and this one, I think it's a Morena as well. Nope. This one, I don't know what this one was, but obviously I wore it a good length of time. And they have different clasp bands on here. So this one has a 3. This one is only a 2, and the other Equilibrium is only a 2. These other ones have the open crotch area. I had my mom alter a lot of my fajas. This one, obviously, I kept the crotch on there, but the rest of them I had cut out. She cut it out and put a seam or hem or seam or whatnot so it wouldn't unravel, because it gets uncomfortable to have to keep trying to, you know, not pee on the faja. This one too is nice because the strap is a little wider and you can adjust the straps so they're not as uncomfortable. As you can see, the Equilibrium ones, these are the thinner straps. I mean, they're stretchy. I don't know if you can see that or not, but these are nice straps. But again, if you struggle with heavier breasts, those tend to dig. These have the thin straps on them as well. But I needed this one because of to hold it up in its place. So this one is nice for if you have back lipo, which I'm getting back lipo, so this one hopefully is going to fit and going to come in handy. So the week before your pre-op and your surgery, you will get a phone call. And I just want to run through a few things that I was told when they called me, just giving me some information for when I get to pre-op and what will happen before. Oh, I got to sneeze, sorry. So they just give you like some little bit of information as far as your testing goes. When you get there, you will have a nicotine test, you have a test for narcotics, and you cannot take any supplements like dietary supplements beforehand. Like I want to say 2 weeks before. I haven't been taking any diet supplements. I haven't taken any narcotics. Don't smoke. So I know I will go in with a clean bill of health. But if you do test positive for anything that they test you for, they will make you reschedule, and then you have to pay like $1,400 and something dollars or something like that, over $1,000, and reschedule your appointment. They will let you know that you cannot drive for 5 to 7 days after, no smoking after, of course, and then you need to have a low sodium, low carb, high protein diet. I want to say for the first 2 weeks, and probably even after that, I would suggest not doing a lot of sodium, period, because when you're swelling like that, you're going to swell for a few months. But the more sodium that you take in, the swelling will stay up. So it's best to just cut out as much sodium as possible and drink water. And then your pain meds, I guess up to 2 weeks, and no dental work. You cannot have any type of dental work done up to a month after your surgery. So if you ever have a tooth pulled or any type of dental surgery or anything like that, they said you cannot have that done for a month after your surgery. And I think that might be it. So yeah, I was just kind of like dumbfounded when they said dietary supplements, because what happens if someone is taking dietary supplements to try to keep their weight down to make sure that their BMI stays where it's supposed to be, you know, in order to have the surgery. So I just think that's, you know, kind of messed up. But I guess whatever it is, some kind of side effects or whatnot could affect you during or after surgery. So it's best to listen to the doctors and not do it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to add in, and I will pick you guys back up. Bye.